What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Binance to Coinbase wallet. So, how do we exactly do so? Well, first things first, since we want to send to our Coinbase wallet account, let's go and open up Coinbase. Now, in here, what we need to do is we need to click on the transfer option that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in here, we want to go and choose the option that says receive, since we want to receive crypto in our, in this case, Coinbase wallet. Let's go ahead and click on receive. Now, in here, we want to go and choose a crypto that you want to receive. So make sure you're selecting the correct crypto here. So as an example, I'm going to use Ethereum. Now, in here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and choose the network. So this one is really important. So we want to go ahead and choose the fastest one, which is going to be the Ethereum network, or ERC20. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, you should be able to see your address. So go ahead and click on the copy button there. And from then on, what we need to do next is we want to open up Binance in order for us to make the transfer. So go ahead and open up Binance. Now, in Binance, what we need to do is we need to go to our wallet. It's at the bottom right here. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says withdraw. Now, in here, you want to go and choose the option that says withdraw at the very bottom. And from here, choose the crypto that you want to withdraw. So in my case, since I want to withdraw ETH or Ethereum, let's go and choose Ethereum. And we want to go and choose the option that says send via crypto network. Now, what we need to do now is we need to enter our address here. So let's go and enter our address. And next is you need to choose your network. So for network, I would recommend you to use the Ethereum network, which is going to be ERC20. And from then on, just indicate how much you want to withdraw and click on withdraw at the very bottom here. And from then on, just confirm if confirmation or verification is required. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.